Good morning, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful start to your Monday. It's a weather impact alert day again today and tomorrow, and this is primarily going to be because of the chilly temperatures, folks. I mean, we're talking about highs trending well below average. Our average high right now is 55 degrees. We're not even going to be close to that. Now, we are watching this big old dip in the jet stream that is continuing to bring in some of this cooler air, not only including us here across East Tennessee, but as I talked about this last weekend, up to our northeast. Lots of lake effect snow impacting quite a few folks, I should say, in Pennsylvania and in New York, because it's so early on in the season that water is not frozen. So getting that cold Arctic air moving over that water creates that awesome lake effect snow. Now, we are going to continue to see cloud cover increase across our region today. Sunshine will stick around for the start of the day. Cloud cover will continue to move on in. And then we have this weak system that's going to be pushing in from the northwest. There is the chance come late tonight and into the early hours of your Tuesday that we could see some snow activity across the higher elevations. Across the plateau, we're looking at some flurries possible, and then into the higher elevations of the Smokies when you factor in the orographic lift, so kind of that push up against the mountains. This could lead to the chance for up to 2 to 4 inches of snow. Short-lived, as we will continue to have high pressure build on the backside of this system and some calmer and quieter conditions returning by the middle part of the week. Overall, what we're going to be watching today is our next opportunity for seeing some precipitation. Not necessarily going to be in the form of rain, but more so into the form of snow. But it will be bringing in some very limited amounts of some moisture into our region. By the end of the week, there's a slightly better chance that we could be seeing some more rain moving in from the south. Again, this is still about 6 to 7 days out, so there's a lot of uncertainty in place. But if you are making some plans into the weekend, we're kind of getting into Christmas parade season. You will want to follow us for updates. Hope you're having a wonderful Monday. Meteorologist Rebecca Sweet here. We are watching a winter weather advisory that's in effect for the higher elevations. This will go from 5 p.m. this evening until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. This is primarily kind of the icing on the cake to what is already a weather impact alert day. We'll watch cloud cover increase as we go into the evening hours. Flurries possible across the higher elevations. Accumulation could be up to 2 to 4 inches of snow across 2,500 feet, so basically into the higher elevations. We might even also see a few flurries possible across the higher elevations of the plateau, but I don't foresee this to be enough snow to really stop you in your tracks, folks. We'll have sunshine increase as we go throughout the rest of your work week, Wednesday into Thursday, but it is going to remain quite chilly. Looking at your potential snowfall again, this is not the main concern when it comes to our weather impact alert, but it's more so kind of like icing on the cake. A dusting of snow will be possible across the higher elevations of the plateau, and then for areas above 2,500 feet, we could see close to 2 to 4 inches of snow. Temperatures will stay in the 30s and 40s today and tomorrow, warming up just a little bit midweek. Monitoring our next chance for rain arriving as we go into the weekend.